Hello, fifth grade. Today we are going to learn how to log into Infinite Campus for the first time. This is very exciting because now you'll be able to log in and see your grades and your schedules. You'll also be picking your electives this way. So it's a really important process for you to learn how to do. And this is what you'll be using all through middle school and through high school. So let's go ahead and get started. Everyone must have a Chromebook in front of them, so we'll go through this process together. And the reason why we're going to our school website, so we'll go to somersetskycanyon.org. So go ahead and open a web browser and go to somersetskycanyon.org. The reason we're going this way is because it's important that you go to the correct Infinite Campus website. You cannot just Google Infinite Campus and log in. Okay, so Somerset has a very specific Infinite Campus built for them, and that's why we're doing it this way. So over here on the right-hand side, you'll see a tab that says Infinite Campus. Now I need everyone to click on that. So we'll click on that, and it takes us to the portal login. So we're going to click on Campus Student because that's what you are. So log into Campus Student. All right, and this is the tricky part. All right, you'll need your student ID. All right, and that's going to be your username. Your student ID is your username. So let's go ahead and put in student ID. Okay, so everyone should be putting in their student ID as their username. And your password, here is the tricky part. Your password is going to be your first name initial, last name initial, and your date of birth. So I'm going to type it up here in the username section just so that you can see because it covers the password. So for example, myself, so Emily, so my first name is Emily, so E, then it's lowercase, and my last name initial is Nelms, so it's N, and then we're going to put in our date of birth with a 2-digit month, so 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day, and a 2-digit year, so 2008, okay? That will be my password. So it's your lowercase first name initial, lowercase last name initial with a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 2-digit year. Okay? So there should be 2 letters and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Okay? So username is your student ID. And we're going to log in. Now, I want everyone to take a pause, and it's asking for your old password, which is the password you just put in, which is your first name initial, last name initial, with your date of birth and with a 2-digit year. This time, I want you to go ahead and put that in now. So let's put that in now. The same exact password you just used. So first name initial, last name initial, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 2-digit year. Okay? And now, we're going to put a new password in. Your new password is going to be exactly the same, but this time I want you to put a 4-digit year. So you're going to do your first name initial, lowercase last name initial, date of birth. So 02, like for your date of birth, 02/24/2008. You're put the whole year. All right. So that's going to be our new password. So go ahead and do that now. So next step is save. All right. Now it takes us to this page where it asks for a new account security email. Your email will be your name. So it's going to be your name. So we're using McKenna's account. So thank you, McKenna. So we're going to put McKenna's first name, dot, last name, and then it's at student dot somersetnv.org. You're going to do the exact same thing below it. So I'm just going to copy and paste. So McKenna.Kennedy at student.somersetnv.org. That is your email address. And when it says enter campus password, you're going to use the new password that you made, which is your first name initial, last name initial, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that now. So it's the new password that you just created. And we're going to press save. Oh, let's try that again. All right, we're going to try this again. So your security email is your first name. Sorry, we're using McKenna's account. So it's McKenna.Kennedy at student.somersetnv.org. Okay. And we'll put that in there twice. And the password is your first name initial, last name initial, and your date of birth with a 4-digit year. And we'll press save. Okay. And it takes us to our login page for the first time. And this is what it looks like. So on the left-hand side, you'll see all these different tabs, and you can look at your grades. You'll be able to look at your attendance and your schedule. Academic plan is where we will be choosing our electives. So we're not doing that quite yet. I just want to make sure everyone knows how to log into Infinite Campus. So I hope that this step-by-step process helped, and that we'll be able to get through elective selections soon. So remember, your username will always be your student ID, and your password will be your first name initial, last name initial, and your date of birth. Okay, if you ever have any issues with this, you're always welcome to come see me, and we can help figure out how to solve that problem. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye.